Tap the Settings icon to access your workspace and interaction settings. In this video, we'll focus on the workspace settings, where you can set your preferences for the canvas, artboard, measurements, and tool setup. Let's start with the canvas settings. First, we have 9 background options to choose from. The app's interface will automatically adjust based on the tone and brightness of your background color. By choosing Custom Color, you'll get to choose from any of the color wheels, including Copic, HSL, or RGB sliders. Optionally, you can pick the background color directly from the canvas using the Color Picker tool. Next up, we have grids, which automatically adjust to the color of your background and allow you to draw with precision. You can make adjustments to these by tapping Edit Grid or by tapping on the already active button. We do have other videos that go into detail on grid setup. Under the artboard section, you can quickly choose a specific canvas size from some common presets. The units will change based on your settings below, and you can easily toggle its orientation from here. If the artboard doesn't fit on your screen at your current zoom level, your zoom will adjust to fit the artboard on screen. Optionally, you can set your own custom size artboard by tapping on the value and typing in the desired size and unit. The measurements section allows you to set the scale of your drawings. Let me open a couple of layers to demonstrate. To set scale, choose one of the presets or type in a custom scale. The items on canvas will be displayed in scale when Measure is toggled on. Under Scale, you can control the display units as well as the format and precision in which they are displayed. With Measure on, you'll get a reading for the length of your stroke while drawing, and this toggle allows you to control on which side of the stylus it appears. The next toggle will affect the reading of selections on the status bar between units and percentages. Finally, the Tool Setup section offers an alternative way to choose your preferred tool palette.